This is how I teach my kids in Australia to read in the space of 2 weeks. So today we are going to be looking at the EE sound. Fantastic. So what sound does this make? It makes the E sound, just one E. It makes the E sound. Fantastic. So now let's dive into some example. We have B, E, N, bin. Fantastic. We have B, E, B. Fantastic. We have S, E, C. Fantastic. We have E, U, feel. Fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow also. See you in the next video.